Hi, today I'm for the Nokia G22 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first open the control panel and find screen record icon. Hold it for a while and before starting screen recording you'll see here record audio switcher. When the switcher is turned off, this means that you'll record the mute videos. When you activate it, you could select one from these available options to use, for example, device audio like music, calls and ringtones, to use the microphone to comment something, or to use device audio and microphone together. After that, you could click the start button to start a screen recording. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.